Hello, we're going to take a look at the Braun Silk Epilator 9. And this is a shave and trim kit. And it's for long-lasting, smooth skin. So you'll get results faster with the Silk-épil 9 with a wide head for quicker epilation and ultra fast results. It comes with additional attachments to shave and trim for weeks of smooth skin, not just days. So it's supposed to be in one stroke. It will get rid of hair faster and longer. So that sounds good to me. So it's got wider head and removes more hair at a time. It gives you a gentle shave. So if you're going to do armpits, bikini line, legs, whatever you're going to do, it's got easy to reach attachments. So let's open it up and take a look. It's we got our directions here, and it's such a pretty rose gold color, so that is really nice rose gold color. And it's got the plug-in to charge it up, and let me show you all the attachments. It's got a high frequency massage cap as well. And if you have sensitive skin, do not worry, this is good for you too. So it's got a bunch of different attachments. It can be used in the bath or shower. Painless. It's another attachment. It's plugged in. You're going to see a little green light. Okay, it's great for fine hair removal. And we will have to check back in when it's charged and see how to use it. So we will wait a few minutes and see. So once it's charged, the light will stop flashing green. Okay, and this is now charged. And there it is. So you can, it's so gentle, but it's very effective. You can use it on your legs, anywhere you need to get rid of that hair quick and easy. So it's got a lot of different attachments, and it's so cute and very easy to work. So take it on vacation with you. It's got wider heads to remove hair in one stroke for a more effective epilation. It will give you a gentle shave wherever you need that, especially in sensitive areas. The Braun shaver comes with a shave, trim, and epilate. It has a shave trimmer and trimmer comb, epilator and massage roller cap, and skin contact cap. And it has a wide head for fast epilation. So it's also got, like I said, a lot of different attachments. So this is the Braun shaver Silk-épil 9. Definitely check it out. It's so cool to use. It really is much better than a regular razor.